Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, karibu sana. If you're family, thank you for sticking by, guys. So as you can notice, my hair is fairly dark. I uploaded a tutorial on how I maintain my hair dark, so guys, kindly go check it out. As you can see, I'm just putting away the rest of my hair so that I can get started. The product that I'm using today is Avis Long by Angels. After getting it out of the packet, just want to brush through to ensure that the hair is smooth. Next, you're going to exchange the rubber band used to secure it with your dark hair tie so that it will just blend in well with the hair. Then you're just going to attach your braid to your ponytail. I'm going to use this comb to just tease the hair to give it more volume. Now it's time to make that messy bun, guys. Just follow through the process. Ensure you have a lot of bobby pins because you need to make the hair as secure as possible. Now we're just going to cut off some of the flowers to just make it a little bit neat. So this is the result, guys.